Today I'm going to show you how to remove the back wiper of your Toyota Rav4. Now for the back wiper, what you'll need to do first is to release the cover on the wiper arm. This has some clips on the side that you pull on in order to have them release. You want to make sure you're careful when you're pulling on this cover because this cover is part of the vehicle, so be careful not to break it. Once the cover is released, you can proceed to lift the wiper arm. Once you lift the wiper arm, you can then proceed to pull back the wiper. As you pull the wiper to the back, it should release from the wiper arm. Just make sure you're just pulling the wiper and not the wiper arm. Once the wiper is released, you can then remove it and proceed to install the new one.
And just like that, the old wiper is now removed.
You can see on the wiper arm where the wiper is inserted and secured in place. All there is to do is insert the new one now. Just make sure to insert the wiper the correct way. You secure the wiper on the wiper arm, then you can bring down the wiper arm and close the cover on it too. And with this, we conclude today's video. If you found this video useful or entertaining, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for your time. Have yourself a great day.